Sofern SD09L, pinaka nakamamanghang diving flashlight na nasubukan ko. May 3 piraso ng kilalang SST40 na LED, dalawang 21700 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries with an overall capacity of 10,000 mAh. Halimaw sa performance at garantisadong tatagal sa bawat diving sessions mo. Napakagandang build quality, premium materials at magandang features. Hindi ito ordinaryong flashlight. Para ito sa mga taong naghahanap ng seryosong performance at kakaibang experience mula sa isang diving flashlight. Quick specs muna tayo. Maximum output is 6,800 lumens with an unmatched 542 meter beam distance with a good blend of flood and focus. Waterproof up to 100 meters deep, hardened glass lens, and made of A6061 T6 grade aluminum alloy. It has a massive runtime of up to 20 hours, sustaining a 500 lumen output sa low mode pa lang yan. At ang pinakamaganda dito ay pwedeng gamitin kahit sa labas ng tubig. Sumasalungat ito sa experience ng ibang diving light users na gumagamit ng mga mumurahing flashlights. Samahan niyo ako mag-unbox, kilatisin ang build quality, features, user interface at subukan ang lakas at katangian ng liwanag niya sa ating field test. Quick unboxing muna tayo. Let's go! Ngayon naman, outdoor test. Let's go! Sofern SD09L dito naman sa Buhisan Dam, 180 meters from the viewing deck. Let's check yung kanyang lakas. Let's start with low. Ito yung low niya. Ayan, let's start with low. Medium. High. Yung high pa lang super bright na. And then turbo. Wow. Sobrang liwanag ng turbo niya. Yan, 180 meters yan, Buhisan Dam. Long range test ng ating Sofern SD09L is ang diving flashlight. That mountain is approximately 850 to 900 meters. Let's see. Let's start with low. Ito yung low niya. Yan. Medium. Yan naman yung medium. Yan. Medyo nakikita mo na yung patch na yon. High. And then turbo. Wow. So balik natin. Low, medium, high, at saka turbo. So, wow. Sobrang liwanag at sobrang layo ng abot ng beam nito. So yan. Subukan naman natin yung SD09L natin sa ganitong klaseng environment. Let's start with low. Yan. Sa low pa lang, napakaganda na ng performance niya. Yan. We're starting strong at low. Ito yung medium. Wow. Ito yung high. That's already very bright. And then turbo. Wow. Super liwanag. Sobrang liwanag. Ngayon naman, let's do a rundown ng Sofern SD09L. Yung emitter niya ay tatlong SST40 LEDs and it has a hardened mineral glass lens and it's using a smooth reflector. Yung body niya is a 3-piece body. The material used is 6061 aluminum alloy, napakaganda. Hard anodized finish, has a great feel to it. Yung battery niya, dalawa. Tatlo ang kanyang gasket. Dalawang 21700, 5000 mAh each, total of 10,000 mAh. It has a nice spring connector. Yan, both sides. Dito sa harap is may print ng kanyang model. Dito naman is yung kanyang warning. Sa likod ito, and then a print that's indicating that this is for diving. Dito naman meron nakaprinta na orientation ng battery. Positive up, negative down. Maganda yung switch nito. Yan. Yung switch niya is parang naka-recess siya kung dito mo titingnan. Yan, sits flush here. Ganito naman siya kahaba. Maganda, maayos, hindi masyadong kabigatan, and it feels good in the hand. Yung grips niya is hindi aggressive pero deep enough and provides a nice grip or traction sa kamay mo. Tsaka maangas naman yung ginawa nila dito. Dagdag forma na rin. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin ang kanyang switch. Ang switch niya ay lumiliwanag ng dalawang kulay, green at saka pula. Kapag naka-steady green siya, ibig sabihin puno pa yung battery mo, naglalaro between 75% to 100% capacity. Kapag naka-blinking green naman to, that means between 50% to 75% yung battery niya. This will turn red at steady if it's between 25% and 50%. Less than 25%, naka-blinking red yan. For its safety feature, meron naman siyang security lock mode. So, ibig sabihin, after 1 minute, kapag hindi mo na siya ginagamit, automatic maglalak siya. Kapag tinry mong buksan ng ilaw, magbiblink lang siya. To unlock it, simply press twice. There you go. Punta naman tayo sa kanyang user interface and brightness levels. Meron siyang 4 na brightness levels. Meron siyang low, medium, high, at turbo. Meron din siyang isang special feature or special mode which is strobe. That's very good to have. So to turn on the flashlight after you unlock it, just press once. There you go, low. To cycle through, press it again. Every click will cycle through the brightness mode. Tas balik sa pinakamahinang brightness which is low. To turn it off, simply press and hold. Napakadali. And then if you want to access the strobe, double press. Kapag naka-off naman siya, if you do a double press, ito ay yung manual lock niya. And it will blink twice. To unlock it, double press. Very simple. Yung water resistance naman niya is IPX8. That means pwede siyang dalhin up to 100 meters deep. So pag-usapan naman natin ang pinaka gusto ko dito sa flashlight na to. Ito yung kanyang output, di ba? So isa itong high-powered flashlight. Yung turbo niya is 6,800 lumens. Yung low pa lang nito, yung runtime niya is 20 hours. Isipin mo, 20 hours sustained sa isang 500 lumen na output. Kung gusto mong maliwanag talaga yung experience mo underwater, I think using the medium mode at 1,200 lumens is really, really good. Hindi ka na mapapahiya sa runtime niyan kasi kaya niya tuloy-tuloy 9 hours at medium, 1,200 lumens. At ang pinaka nagustuhan ko dito ay pwede mo siyang gamitin outside water. So, salungat talaga siya sa sinasabi ng ibang mga diving flashlight users, especially kung yung mga diving flashlight nila is yung generic na diving flashlight. Yung experience kasi nila, yung palagi nilang sinasabi, is hindi mo raw pwedeng gamitin outside water. So, dapat nakalubog siya para hindi siya mag-overheat. For Sofern diving flashlights, that's not the case. Pwede mo siyang gamitin at hindi siya nag-overheat. Kaya para sa akin, ito ay isang magandang all-rounder. Isa kang kagaya ko na nakatira near coastal area and also near mountains. Pwede mo siyang gamitin pang trekking, pwede mo siyang gamitin pang diving. So meron ka ng magandang all-rounder, high capacity, high output na flashlight in one package. So that's my review of the Sofern SD09L. Would I recommend this flashlight? Yes, of course. Sobrang ganda ng performance, sobrang ganda ng build quality. Para sa akin, mahirap maghanap ng ka-level ng Sofern SD09L. So sa mga nagbabalak na kumuha ng Sofern SD09L, I will post the link in the description sa mga legitimate shops na nagbebenta ng Sofern SD09L. Yan, maraming salamat sa panonood. Again, this is your boy Mohayag. See you on the next video.